So how can you make your offer more attractive to a seller without just upping the price? Because there's more to an offer than just the price. So what I want to run through is all the other moving parts that might make your offer a little bit more attractive to an owner. So the first thing is obviously your finance or your finance approval. So it's really important to be clear with the agent who's selling the property so they can pass this information on to the seller. What's your current position? Are you pre-approved? Are you unconditionally approved? Have you missed out on a property and you've had approval that was from that property that you can now use for this one? Or have you not even spoken to a lender, but you have a meeting? So it's really important to be clear about that. And if you've got unconditional approval or you're pre-approved for a good amount, this can put you in a better position than maybe someone else at the same price. The second thing is your settlement terms. So it might be a good idea when you're making an offer to ask the agent about the seller's preferred settlement terms, because they might be waiting for a new property to be completed. They might want a really quick settlement, you don't know. So if you can be flexible, ask the agent, what are the best settlement terms for the seller? This will put you in a really good position. If your offer might be a couple of thousand away, they might take that and it could clinch the deal. So the third thing is around urgency. So if you can show urgency when you're making an offer, so telling the agent, look, we're in a position where we can sign a contract quickly, or we can book a pest and building inspection tomorrow, then this is going to put urgency onto the seller to make a decision. If you're fluffing around, I guess, or you're just throwing an offer out there just to see what's happening, it might not come across as being urgent, and really it's not going to seem as formal and as complete and as real to an owner. So show urgency when you're making an offer and make it known that you can move quickly. This will put you in really good stead for your offer to be accepted. So the ultimate offer is written on a contract, signed, and delivered with a 0.25% deposit ready for exchange with a cooling off period, or delivered with a 10% deposit if you've done your due diligence and ready for unconditional exchange. So the difference is you can now exchange with a 5-day cooling off period. That's something that was put in a long time ago, and that locks you into the property for 5 days with just a 0.25% deposit. Or if you're ready to and you want to be really bold, you can sign a contract and exchange with 10%, and that's unconditional. So you sign what's called a 66W and you move forward straight away and you're locked into that contract. So thanks for watching. We're going to do a lot of this content video. So if you've got any ideas or anything you really want to know, whether you're a buyer or a seller, drop it in the comments below or DM us, whatever you like to do, get in contact, because we'd love to hear what you want to know about.